Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is SK. I'm from Synchro Web Technology. Okay, so today topic I will talk about how Kiwires and also the IPCOM enterprise Wi-Fi solution to help on the hospitality and also the retail industry. Okay, so our main objective here is to discover affordable and cost-effective Wi-Fi solution during this pandemic. Okay, and if let's say you guys got any questions or need me to explain in more details in any slide, then you guys can just stop me. Okay, all right. Okay, so before I start, just give you guys a briefly idea what is the Kiwire. Okay, so basically Kiwire is a captive portal solutions. So we call some we call as a triple A solution. Okay, so for the IPCOM is a enterprise Wi-Fi solution. Okay, okay. Before I start, just get a brief on the Synchro Web technology, the company profile. So, Synchro Web have been established in 1999 and incorporated in the 2001. So we have a dedicated support team and engineer locally. And then we also have our own R&D team because we want to make sure that our solution is to meet the market latest requirement. And we do provide a 24 times 7 support, especially for the hospitality industry, which is their requirement. Okay. Okay. Today I will talk about a software solution. Okay. And Okay, SigoWeb, we provide a software solution like a captive portal and the other solution. And then we also do on the distribution like a router, PoE switch, Wi-Fi, indoor access point, and also the outdoor access point point to point. And then we also will provide a training every week for the partner and also the client. And then we also do provide consultancy for the certain project. Okay, before I start, this is our current clients. So they are using our Kiwire solution. Yeah, for the hotel side, we got Best Western, and then we got Centera Hotel and Resort. Okay, so you can see the Kiwire can suit for different industry based on the requirement. Okay. Okay. Before I start, this is the few problem and challenge for the hospitality industry. So and then due to the pandemic, right? Every hotel they are trying to lower down their costs. And then the problem that we find out is the initial investment cost is high as they need to purchase a server, they need to purchase the few UPS to make sure that the server is not down. And also they need to purchase, if compared to the local solution and the cloud solution, so the initial investment is highly cost involved. Okay, so for the second problem that we find out is a difficulty on the maintenance. The network that set up is not standardized, and then the management of the Wi-Fi system is also decentralized, especially for those hotels have a different have a few branches. Okay, let me talk about the Kiwire software. So Kiwire software we are hosted at the cloud. Okay, and then we provide the cloud solutions. So which means the hotel site just to install the router so that it can be linked and integrate to our Kiwire cloud. And Kiwire, we provide different type of the login. Example, integrate with the PMS, and then we also integrate with the social media so that you can log in by using your Facebook account, Instagram, Twitter, or the email. And then we also do provide the login type. Example, like you get a SMS TAC code, then you can log in by using the SMS the TAC code. Okay, and now we are focusing more on the Wi-Fi marketing platform. So which means our Wi-Fi marketing can be pushed for the Android phone, iOS, and also the Windows laptop or desktop. Okay, and our software also able to provide you the insight that which client connected to your current Wi-Fi network, and then you also may get their information such as their full name, gender, age group, and importantly is their emails for the marketing purpose. Okay. Okay, so this is how basically the Kiwire works. So the first step, client or the guest need to connect to the SSID, the Wi-Fi name, then the landing page will so the landing page will pop out. So you can choose that you can log in by using the social media, or you can choose to log in by the Instagram. Okay, so after that, they successfully authenticate and log in to the Wi-Fi system. So you may redirect them, or you may trigger them with your current promotion page. Okay, and for this because our Kiwire is flexible, so you can put your advertisement page before the login page also can. So this all depends on how you are going to design your login flow, and how you are going to design your login journey. You can put before the landing page or after the landing page. Okay, so for the logo and the background, all is can be customized, and you just upload your videos or images to the system, and then you just create them. You just can create your own landing page by drag and drop. So you no need to have coding involved. You no need to have a coding knowledge to do a back-end side. Okay. Okay, so this is the basically overall interface of the Kiwire that we have done so far. So for the PMS, we mostly can integrate with most of the PMS like Opera, Easy, eSoft, IDB. So this one is for the hospitality industry. So for the e-payment gateway, we can integrate with the PayPal, iPay88. iPay88 is normally used for the Maybank to You banking side, CIB Click. Yes, they are using this platform. Okay, so for the social media, we can integrate with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Line, WeChat. But in Malaysia, we recommended to use Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, because these are three platforms that mostly Malaysian people use. Okay, and then for the next one, we also can integrate with the LDAP server and Windows AD, Trilio. Okay, so for the marketing part, this is more to the retail. We can integrate with Zapier, MailChimp, and Mad Mini. So this one is basically used for the email blasting. So let's say you got a promotion, let's say a Hari Raya promotion or the Christmas promotion, then you can use this platform to blast out the email. Okay, so the next one, we also can integrate with the core billing system used in the hospitality industry, such as Juru Data and also the FCS. Okay. And before I move I move to the next slide. You guys got any question? Yeah, if no, then I will move to the next slide. Okay, so this is the login flow sample for the hospitality industry. So for this login page, like I mentioned to you guys just now, you can put your own logo, your own background, and our system able to use the responsive so that your mobile phone can have a mobile phone resolution, and your tablet can have its own format. Okay, and this landing page you can customize yourself. You want them to key in for the, let's say for the hotel, you want them to key in for the room number, like 105, and then their Wi-Fi password maybe is their guest last name. Yes, you can design like that. Okay, so after okay, next. Okay, so this one is more to the function room. Like if, let's say you got a 100 pack function room, so you may create a one voucher code, then can share with the 100 packs. So this basically used for the function room or the event purpose. Okay. Okay. Next, this is a login flow example for the retail. So for the retail side, you can create your own. You can create your own field, like you want them to key in their first name, last name, their gender, their age group, or the bottom there, you can allow them to log in by using their Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Okay. Okay. So the next one example is like we did for the capital land. So before the landing page, we force the shopper or the guest to look at your current campaign, maybe like 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So after that, the shopper need to click the continue button to go to the next page to do their authentication. Either they can log in by using their email or the social media. Okay, so this is the few example and also the idea. If let's say you guys got better idea, yeah, you guys can do your own customization. Okay. Okay, so basically Kiwire we got a few packages. Okay, so for the first one, Kiwire Lite. This Kiwire Lite, we normally focus on those single outlet like IUM, like those the chicken rice shop or those Old Town, Starbucks. Yeah. So this one is more focused on the big data collection. So which means normally what we focus on this Kiwire Lite is we are pushing for the marketing, and then we do data collection like social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or by the email. So these are mainly for the big data collection and also for the marketing campaign. Okay, so for the Kiwire Cloud, this one Kiwire Cloud normally we use for the hospitality industry, because we need to integrate with the PMS or the core billing system, like I mentioned just now. So so this one is and Kiwire Lite and Kiwire Cloud is a cloud solution that we hosted at our cloud server. Okay, and then Kiwire Premium, this one is the local server solution. So which means we need a server or we need a VM. We install our Kiwire server into the server or the VM. Then to do a PMS integration or the other for the other function. Okay, so conclusion over here is a Kiwire Lite and a Kiwire Cloud is hosted at our cloud server, and then Kiwire Premium is we install inside the server or inside the VM. Okay. Okay, next, I want to focus on the campaign management. Okay, so this one campaign management is normally is how you are trigger your campaign, and what is the group that you want to target. Okay, so for the campaign management, we got ads display, coupon, smart banners for mobile, and also for the web push notification. Okay. Okay, so this is the one example of a campaign. So like I mentioned to you just now, after you select the Wi-Fi name, then you can push in your campaign. So you want to put, let's say, a Christmas or Hari Merdeka campaign or 11/11 campaign. Yeah, you can just put over here, and then so that your shopper and your guests can look into it before they go to the landing page. Or you also can do is after they has been authenticated, then you push the campaign advertisement on to their phone or to their device. Okay. Okay, so this is a target campaign that you can use. And then example over here is you want to trigger only for the first time login user. And you want to trigger only maybe only for the female, and then age maybe 30. So it will push the ads that you set. Or maybe you can do something like, okay, help me to like my Facebook page, and then I will give you a 10% discount of your total bills. Yeah, this is one of the example that we did for our current client. Okay. So next one, you want to trigger to the last scene's client or the guest, and then you target for the maybe this one is a male, and then you want to target maybe age 40. So you can send ads or you can send ads via the email or the SMS, so that is trying to grab them to come back. Maybe to come back maybe again next week or next month. Okay. Okay. Also, what's the benefits that you can get by using the social media login? Okay, because Kiwire, we have the AI engine, and then we have be able to do a big data collection. Like let's say today you are logged in by using your Facebook, so we able to get your information from your Facebook, such as your full name, your gender, your age group, and also the email address. Okay, and you can the other way to do a user data collection is you can create an e-form. You will require you require your guests to key in their first name, last name, the phone number, and also the information that you want to get from them. So you just can create e-form, and then can do a collection, can do a data collection from there. Okay. Okay, by using the after you get the user information, right? Then you have those kind of data, then you can use for marketing use. So your marketing team maybe they only want to focus for the certain group, then they can do a filtering and then blast to the particular group. Okay. And this Wi-Fi marketing is trying to give a better experience for the guests, so that they can come back again. Okay, so for this campaign benefit is okay. Kiwire basically is a marketing platform, so you can do your own marketing. And some of the hotel, right, they are trying to find like a third party company to advertise their product or the service inside the hotel. like the airline, food delivery, and more. Okay, so that from there you can try like discuss with them on the package that how you guys are going to work together with those third party company. Okay, and because we don't want that you guys just use a Kiwire software as a Wi-Fi system. We want you guys to emphasize and use the Kiwire platform as a marketing platform. Okay, so this is how to make us different from the other players. Okay, and we also believe that a good campaign and a good ads will attract more user to come back again and can bring you guys more profit. Okay. Okay, so this is the example of the Wi-Fi. This is the example of the real-time insight. Okay, so at the keyword system, you can get this kind of the information like I mentioned to you just now. The full name, what platform they are they log in, either is a Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. So you also can know their age group, their gender. So in the keyword system, we are able to provide you a report like last week, 65% of the traffic or the guests is using Facebook login. Then 25% traffic or the guests is using Instagram, and 10% is using Twitter. So we can provide you this kind of the data, so you can study about the data and then further push them the marketings or the campaign. Okay. Okay, so these are basically few types of the reportings that you can find in the keyword system. So the first one is the account. So you can know that you can know that the user, the keyword user, they are using what types of the account. They are using either is the normal account, or they are using like a VIP account. Okay, and then the second report is you can know that how many devices currently connected or using your Wi-Fi. So we also can provide you this kind of a report. Okay, and the third one you can provide you a bandwidth report like a weekly or the monthly. And the fourth one, we can provide you the insight reports such as your current network, how many devices connected to your Wi-Fi system, and what is the device that they are using. They are using Android, or they are using iOS, or they are using Windows. And for the social media, either they are using Facebook, they are using Instagram, they are using Twitter, or they are using Gmail. Okay, we can provide, you can see this kind of the information at the insight report. Okay, so for the campaign report, so you can know that a particular period, let's say for the 1 month, how many people view your report, and then from there, right, and then you also can know that how many people view your report, and also they log into the system. So from there, you're able to know that whether your campaign is successfully or not successfully. If let's say not successfully, then you have to put more effort on the marketing part. Okay. Okay, all right. Okay. Before I start on the IBCOM Wi-Fi solution, for the Kiwire part, do you guys got any question or any slide that need I explain in more details? Okay, if no, then I will move to the IPCOM Wi-Fi solution. Okay, basically, IPCOM IPCOM brand is from China, and is a enterprise Wi-Fi solution. and it have the switches, the access point, and also access point got the shielding access point, wall access point, and the point to point access point. Okay, so basically how the Kiwire and the IBCOM work together is we deploy the IBCOM Wi-Fi solution, then we integrate with our Kiwire captive portal solution. So this is a whole, this is a full solution, especially you can push for the hospitality and the retail industry. Okay. Okay, let me talk about on the switch part. So the IPCOM, we got the PoE switch, we also got a Wi-Fi controller, we got the managed Wi-Fi AP, shielding mount, and also for the wall mount. And then we also got the mesh AP. Okay, and this hardware all is come with a 3 years warranty from the IPCOM. Okay, so these are basically the sample of the network diagram. So we got a Wi-Fi controller, got a PoE switch, and then the AP connected to the switch, and then power up by using a PoE. And you can see the first AP, that one is a shielding mount. The second AP, that one is the wall mount. And then this one, the wall mount AP, the size is similar like your PowerPoint, the 3-pin PowerPoint. And then the third one, that one is the mesh AP, and then the fourth one is the outdoor Wi-Fi. Okay. Okay, so first talk about for the shielding mount, the AP, we got a 2 type, and then both also is a AC wave 2. And the differences between them is the wireless speed. Okay, as you can see, the W63AP, the 2.4 is a 300 megs, and then 5 gigahertz is a 867 megs. So for the W66AP, the 2.4 is a 450 megs, and for the 5 gigahertz is a 1.3 Gbps. Okay, so for these two type of the device, for the W63, you can maybe deploy inside the room or the corridor side. So for the W66AP, you can deploy for those function room or the open areas such as a cafe or the lobby. Okay. Okay, next, I want to talk about the wall mounted AP. Okay, like I mentioned to you just now, these two AP, the size is similar with a 3-pin PowerPoint. And both of the AP is a AC wave 2 spec. And then so the differences between these two AP is the AP265 is fast internet port, and the W36AP is the gigabit ports. So this is the so these their main differences. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, so this is the outdoor AP. Okay, so the outdoor AP run on the gigabit ports, and then their speed for the 2.4 gigahertz is a 300 megs, and then for the 5 gigahertz is a 867 meg. This AP is also running on the AC wave 2. Okay. Okay, so this one is a mesh AP. So this one mesh APP is running on the gigabit ports, and this one is also a AC wave 2. Okay. Okay. So this is basically the overall of the Wi-Fi solution for the hospitality and for the hospitality industry. Okay, because some of the hotel they want to save a cost for the cabling part, So we got a mesh system solution for them, so that they no need to pull a cable, and then they just need to deploy additional devices. Okay, so for the mesh system, we got a router mode and also for the AP mode. So for the router mode, you deploy the EW12 as a router, and then connect the other two we call as a slave, master and a slave. So to provide a Wi-Fi solution and then to extend the Wi-Fi coverage. Okay, so for the other AP mode is you can install the two mesh AP master into the PoE switch, and then from there you install more of the slave AP to extend the Wi-Fi coverage. Okay.
So, Kate, I have a question, right?
Okay,
could I go back? Yeah. Between the mesh master and the mesh satellite based on wireless connectivity, what is the maximum supported throughput, bandwidth-wise?
Okay. You mentioned about the throughput, right?
Yeah, between the mesh satellite and the mesh master, what is the maximum supported throughput, whether be it on the 2.4 or on the 5?
All right, for this question, right, I think YY Tan will handle it. YY, you don't mind to answer it? YY, you there?
Hi.
YY, you there?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, can hear you.
Okay. Hi, YY Tan here from ITCom. Okay, this model, this one, the power put, actually we can go back to the spec. Actually, go back to the slide previously. Okay, so this one you see at the wireless spec, right? You see the third one, the 1003 megabits per second, that's actually the backhaul. And this is the backhaul is to link between all the mesh AP lah. So it makes it the maximum will be 1003 megabits per second.
So on the 1.3 megabits per second, is it sustained throughput between the satellites to the master?
No, this is the maximum. So sustain will be expect around 800.
800, okay. The 800 is still the sustained throughput. So now between the mesh to one mesh, right? So sometimes one mesh can connect, because when I see the architecture on the mesh, it can connect to each other and to go back as to the trunk. So when one mesh is connected to another mesh and the uplink trunk, would that be a shared throughput on the 800 plus megabits per second throughput?
Okay, let's say you do it in a serial, then it on a straight line. So, you see, on a straight line, so it'll be the full speed. So let's say you do a star network, so it will be.
And would you all be bringing AX soon? Will AX be made available?
Yeah, AX, they haven't announced, but it's already in the pipeline.
In the pipeline, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and your system, does it support MIMO as well? Does it do MIMO?
Okay, all the model here actually support new MIMO. The old wave one we already discontinued.
Okay. So your MIMO is what, 2x2 or 4x4 or?
Depending on the antenna design. So minimum 2x2.
Minimum 2x2. Okay, understood. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So this is our project reference. We did deploy the IPCOM and also the Kiwire full solution for the Loop Hotel at the Penang. Okay. So we deploy IPCOM shilling type and also the involved AP and the PoE switch. Okay, and then we cover for the whole hotel, the room, lobby, and also the coffee shop. So this site is located at Penang, Malaysia. Okay, so the other site that we did is Bang Bilik Hotel Sri Petaling. We deploy a Kiwire solutions and also the IPCOM Invo AP and the switches. So our Kiwire, we integrate with the eSoft PMS so that the guests they log in, they key in their room number as a Wi-Fi username, and then the guest last name as the Wi-Fi password. Okay, and we also cover for the guest room and also the common area. Okay, so the next one, the project is the Pahang, Malaysia, Tanah Rata. We provide the full solution for the hotel, and this hotel is normally for those backpacks traveler. Okay. Okay. For the IPCOM side. Conclusion for our like I mentioned to you, Kiwire, we are the captive portal solution, and IPCOM is the switches and also the full Wi-Fi solution. So how it works together is we deploy the IPCOM hardware at the client side, and then link to our Kiwire software to provide a full solution for the hospitality and also for the retail side. Okay, and if let's say you guys want to know more on the commercial parts, then you guys can contact my team at the phone number below, and also you guys can send inquiry to the Sears Lions syncoweb.com. Okay, all right. Okay, that's all for my webinar. Thank you.
Hi, SK, can I add in a bit? Hi, Sunny, can I add in a bit?
Okay.
Go ahead, YY. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, hi. Actually, just now you did mention on the Mesh APE. So there's a new model, the EW Craft is coming in by basically next month. Next month will be ready for sale lah. So actually we will be preparing another training for the Mesh APE. So basically we'll just train how does it on deployment method, on basically actually what's already been done for the previous project lah.
Okay. Is there any kind of solution? I know this is very much centric to the retail, but warehousing, would you have solutions for warehousing where internet cabling seems to be a challenge and mainly power seems to be a challenge? Do you have any solution based on that?
Okay, based on this, actually, my HQ back in the China there, they actually did for one of the retail shop and another for a warehouse there.
Okay.
So I try to get the material to show you how they deploy the thing.
Yes, and the mesh, the distance between one mesh to the other mesh, how far does it's needed for connectivity, optimal connectivity design?
Basically, you try to get it below 60, those RSSI below minus 60, 70 like that lah.
Okay. So you still based on RSSI, based on the areas lah.
Yes.
Okay. Because I'm just curious to understand more on the AP functionality in various means, but I think I will take that offline. Maybe I could have a I'll drop Sunny a mail just to find out more on the AP capability, because we may look into ways where we could address enterprise issues. And one very important or key factor which we're looking at as well for IoT support, we have enterprises which would like to wire up a building and also have IoT. So is IoT part of an offer with the AP, or it's an add-on module, or do you have an IoT platform to kind of manage this?
IoT, they run on which RF signal?
It could be Bluetooth, or it could be what's the other one?
LoRa. LoRa.
Yeah. No, not on LoRa.
LoRa. Should LoRa, yeah. Oh.
Yeah. Zigbee. One more they told me was Zigbee. But I don't know if that is.
Zigbee.
Yeah. Is it?
Zigbee, right.
Is it carried by the AP? Because LoRa, you need a different architecture altogether.
It's a different RF device actually.
Yeah. So would the AP support this Bluetooth or Zigbee?
I don't think so, because
Not-
it's a separate module. Like some other manufacturer, you separately plug into the AP.
Yes. So does this have the capability to plug if the customer needs, or it is not on offer?
So far, we don't have yet, but
Okay.
this one I can just raise the request lah.
Okay, because I would just like to know if there is, then we know the AP has the capability should the need arise, or not. It could just work as a normal AP. And currently we are actually working on the Wi-Fi 6 platform. So that's why I asked for the AX availability. So maybe when you have that, maybe we could review the product. Yeah.
I see. But actually, I have the one of my manufacturer buddy. He actually do a bridge, the wireless bridge to control the air conditioner right now lah.
Right.
It's part of his IoT design actually.
It is an IoT design for the aircon, but the plugin very much depends on the app which is used to control that aircon, correct? So
Actually, depend on the model, because right now, if not mistaken, he's actually doing it for Exxon and OIL.
Okay. So that means you have access to that APIs, and basically from what I understand, this way it works is you're connected to the wireless network, and the app will then talk to the CPE and then manage it. I mean, I have it at home. I manage my washing machines and my some other product using this kind of a topology. So I do understand that a bit how it works. So I'm just expanding further to see, because I can have enterprises which very much run on IoT for their like I said, for the warehousing. They would do a lot of scanning based on IoT devices. So for faster identification of parcel, so they have IoT kind of transmitters which they can use, or some of them do RFID as well, but that is a different thing altogether. So that was a request last time. So I'm just exploring to see if the offers can do it, or maybe if it's coming, then it could be a potential solution for us. Yeah.
All right, Ken. I think later we'll follow up with Sunny and you. Then for the project, let's see what we can help to maybe see how to integrate each other lah.
Yeah. We can take that offline. Thank you.
All right.
Sure.
So any more question? So if there's no more inquiry question, so let Somket just wrap it up lah.
Okay, guys. Thank you for your times, and also see you guys next time.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.